Hi there, it's Anton Voroniuk, and I'm Chief Executive Officer of SkillsBooster Academy. I am happy to welcome you in the place where you can get a lot of free digital marketing professions. So let's start. What do you need to do? First, you need to create your account on Udemy, and I will help you with this. The second, you need to enroll in your first digital marketing course for free. Next, you need to submit your feedback about the course or platform. Just send us the screenshot. After the screenshot is sent, you will get the free access to the next course. So it works really easy. Sounds great? Let's stay tuned and let's see what you need to do first. First, you need to start your account on Udemy and let's do it together. We will go here and just click sign up. First, you need to open your browser and go to udemy.com. Here you will need to put your full name, like Anton Voroniuk. Here you need to put your own email, let it be SEO Skills Booster, and just try to put a new password you want to use. Allow Udemy to send you additional announcements. Very often you will get really great sales, special offers, and it can help you to work further. So just after that, name sign up. That's it. The next step that you will need to do, you will need to go to your own email and approve that yes, you subscribe to Udemy and you've created account. Thank you for joining us today. Happy learning and stay tuned.